Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner from Austin there, and today I'm going to do a salute on Boris Gets Grounded. Why? Because I really love this Grounded series, because Boris is a brat. Enjoy the video. Boris Gets Grounded. Yes! This Grounded series rocks! Do you know why that I really love this Grounded series? Number 1. Boris is a brat. Number 2. The reason why that Boris sucks? Because Boris grounds his kids. The reason why that Boris sucks? Because Boris grounds his kids for no reason. Number 3. This Grounded series is awesome because I love Boris Gets Grounded. Do you know who likes this Grounded series? Me. And David the Go Animator. He also likes this Grounded series with the burning passion. Do you know who hates this Grounded series? No one. So Boris Gets Grounded rocks. And so does yes for Caillou and no for Boris. Bongo Gets Ungrounded sucks. End of salute. If you have any request about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel